Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly add your favorite Canva templates straight onto your Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed Canva designs into Wix, making your site more visually appealing and interactive, without any coding headaches. Let's dive right in. So let's start off at your Wix website design dashboard. If you're already familiar with the Wix editor, you'll feel right at home here. But if it's your first time, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through each step. The Wix editor is where all your site magic happens, and it's set up to be incredibly user-friendly. First, we'll need to add a new section to your page. Think of a section as a container, like a neat little box that can hold all kinds of content: text, images, videos, and yes, even your Canva design. So find the Add Section option, usually in the left-hand panel. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of section types to choose from. Just pick a blank section for now, since we're about to customize it ourselves. Now, let's add the actual elements we need. You might see options for adding text, images, buttons, and more, but what we want is to embed code. Why? Because embedding code lets us pull in live content from other platforms, like Canva, right into our Wix site. Go ahead and select Embed Code from the Elements list. This feature is really powerful. It basically tells your site, hey, look over here, there's something cool I want you to show. Once you've selected Embed Code, you'll be prompted with different embedding options. For this tutorial, choose Embed HTML. This option opens up a little window where you can drop in raw HTML, which is exactly what we need when dealing with Canva's embedding feature. Now it's time to switch gears and hop over to your Canva dashboard. Find the template or design you want to use. We all know Canva's got a treasure chest of beautiful layouts. When you're ready to embed, look for the Share or Embed option, normally found in the upper right of your Canva workspace. Click it, and Canva will generate an embed code for you. This code might look a little mysterious if you're not used to HTML, but don't worry, you're just going to copy it. Head back to your Wix editor and paste that embed code into the box for HTML you opened earlier. Double-check that you've got the whole code copied. Sometimes an incomplete code won't display correctly. Once you paste it in, hit the Update or Apply button. Now, here's the part where you need a little patience. Your Wix site is going to ask the embed to load, and depending on the size or complexity of your Canva template, this might take a few moments. Don't panic if you don't see it pop up instantly. Just give it a little time. And if you see a blank area at first, that's normal. Once it finishes loading, you should see your beautiful Canva design appear right there inside your Wix section. It's a great feeling, seeing two powerful creative tools working together so smoothly. So that's all there is to it. You've now taken a design from Canva and embedded it right onto your Wix website. No tech wizardry required. If you ran into any issues, remember to check your embed code for typos and make sure you're in the correct section on Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out. Drop me a comment if you have questions, get stuck, or just want to share how you're using Canva templates on your Wix site. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.